Are you a guest at this wedding? Or you got a lot of weddings to attend and you're worried about those last minute goof ups that happen and make you late for the wedding? So let's talk about 10 hacks that you must know as a wedding guest. Detachable can-cans. Can-can comes in two varieties, that is single and double. So if you invest into a versatile can-can which can be worn with any dress, then you can add the desired circumference to any of your dress. You can shop for the can-can below from the link. Those are available at the Sea Bazaar. Blouses and skirts. Go for versatile blouses. Blouses that you can pair up with a skirt, with a lehenga or with a sari. Go for the contrast colors in them. You can also go for versatile skirts that you can add up with different type of blouses. The description box has all the links to all these products. Sea Bazaar has a great offer of up to 60% off right now running on their website, and also free stitching and shipping on ready to wear dresses. What you have to do is go into the description box, click onto the link and check out the products you want to buy, and then choose ready to wear option. Okay, so if you happen to lose one of the hook of your earrings, what you can do is cut the eraser down into small pieces and use them as a hook. How to wear this mang tikka? It could be tricky sometimes. So what you have to do is you have to take a black thread like this, fix it into the hook, and then with the help of the pins, fix it on your forehead. If your mang tikka keeps moving like this on your forehead, what you can do is you can use an eyelash glue or a double-sided tape to fix it. So this is my necklace and I'm gonna wear this necklace as a mang patti, because आजकल फैशन में मांग पट्टी है, necklace नहीं. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the strings of this necklace and fix it around my head as मांग पट्टी with the help of pins. If your blouse strap keeps falling off while you're dancing or just moving here and there, I have a great hack for you. You can use invisible fashion tape to stick them off. So this one is quite usual type of draping style. Go for different draping styles of dupatta to give you that edge of the look. You can also drape as like a cape so that you get a lengthening effect and it's also stylish. I've got so many bindis but none of the bindi is matching. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint this nail paint over my bindi and put it on. Okay, so when you're dancing in the wedding and your dupatta is just moving too much, what you can do is you can use a safety pin and tie your dupatta around your wrist as a bangle. So that way it won't move that much. Apply some body oil and foundation on all the part of the skin that are visible through your wedding, because weddings are all about glamour, shine and glitter. I've got few weddings to attend this wedding season and I've got this beautiful lehenga from Sea Bazaar. I love that color. So you can also shop from the Sea Bazaar. Go to the description box and find out the link to their website, and hurry up because they have 60% off going on right now. And also free shipping and free stitching of ready to wear dresses. Those were my top hacks to you if you are a guest this wedding season. Subscribe to our channel and keep shopping until next time.